Check it out, boys. Listen, pal. Quick hack here, buddy, for when you're coming up beside your windows there, lads. So you got this cut, just flopping around. Take a piece of your scrap siding, cut the nail flange off it, get that ready. Bust out these bad dogs. Run some tabs up the side of this, boys. Keep them nice and tight to the edge. I just do a random number. I just go along every once in a while. Slam one in. Top and bottom. Pop them, boys. Take that strip and just pop that on there. Make sure she's clicked in all the way. Boom. There you got her, boys. More rigid than the tools. Slicker than Ric Flair in the mud pit, pal. Carry on.